Hey guys, it's Ann. I have a tech tip for you. There's a tool in Windows called Snap, and it allows you to have multiple windows open at the same time. And if you're like me, uh, you have tabs across the top, and some of you have. I go to your computers, and y'all have tabs open everywhere. But let's say that you're working within all these different programs or all these different tabs at once, and you want to easily see what's going on. So there's a tool in Windows called Snap. I'm going to show you how to find it and make sure it's enabled on your computer. And then I want to show you how to use it. So first thing you're going to do is come down to your Windows and then go to the settings. When you get there, go to System and multitasking, and make sure that Snap is turned on. Once you know it's on, you're ready to go. So we have all these tabs open, and what this will allow us to do is to arrange our keyboard, or what this will allow us to do is to arrange our screen so that we can see all our tabs open at once. Now I'm going to use my keyboard to do this, and I'll show you how to use your mouse later. Let's say I want to snap this screen and I want it to be on the left hand side. So I'm going to hold down the Windows button and click my left arrow. Watch what happens. Bam, magic. Now you can see all the other things that I have open. I want this screen to be open, so I'm just going to touch on it. So now I have them in side-by-side configuration. And the side-by-side configuration is really good if I want to see only two things, but let's just say I want to see more than two. I also have my Cooking with New York Times open because I'm always looking for something delicious. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the Windows, and I'm going to make sure the tab's open. I'm clicking on the Windows and the down arrow, and voila, it goes down there. But I'm also working in Excel, so I click on my Excel tab, and I have another window open now. So now I'm in a 2x1 configuration. But let's just say I want to have 4 different windows open. And I'm always working in my Google Classroom. I'm sorry, I want to make this, I need to pull my tab over here, and I want it to go to the bottom right hand side of my screen. So I'm going to click my Windows and I'm going to click my down arrow. Well, it didn't do it. Let me try again. I'm going to click my Windows. I'm making sure my tab, click my Windows and my right arrow, and then I'm clicking Windows and down, and there it is. So I have my intranet open, I have my administration Google Classroom open, I have my cooking open, and now I can work in my Excel spreadsheet. So what do I want? What if I want one? Oh, let me show you this. So let's just say that the most important part of what I'm doing is on the right hand side of my screen. So I want to make my left hand side just a tiny bit smaller. I'm going to go to the double spaced arrows. Oops. And I'm going to drag them over. Oh, I thought it was. I like things to be kind of, and I want to make these guys bigger. You can see I still have something in the background. It's just a picture. So I'm doing most of my work on this side of my screen. So that's what I want to focus on, and the other stuff I'm going to be going back and forth. If I want to enter data quickly in my Excel spreadsheet, I can drag and drop things in there very easily. Or if let's just say that I see this cinnamon roll recipe that, I can log in, but I'm not gonna. I want to get to this recipe, and I've made this souffle and it is delicious and it's very easy. But anyway, I'm not going to log in. But if I want that, I'm now in the middle of cooking instead of working because it's past 4 o'clock. So I'm going to switch over and enlarge. But how do you do that? Once again, I've got things unsnapped, but I can snap them back anytime I want. Remember, it's Windows left arrow. Pick your poison, and Windows down will take it to the bottom right. Because I clicked on that, my Google Classroom snaps up in there. Let's say I want another one open, and I want, oh, I've already got that open. Sorry.